In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a JPG in Canva. Whether you're trying to share your designs in a more universally accepted image format or want something more suited for web use, turning your PDF files into JPGs is a handy skill. Let's dive right in and simplify the process for you. First, you'll need to start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure your design is complete and that you're satisfied with how it looks, as this is the final step before transforming it into a JPG. When you're ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Canva interface. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Share. This is where our journey into JPG land begins. Now, the Share button might seem like it's solely for collaborating, but it's actually a useful gateway to Canva's download options. Go ahead and click on the Share button. Once you do, a menu will drop down. Here, your next move is to click on Download. This is where you make the crucial decision regarding the format in which you want to save your design. Initially, you might see the file format setting defaulted to PDF standard, which is fine for general purposes when dealing with PDFs. However, since our focus today is converting to a JPG, you'll want to switch that. Look for JPG in the drop-down list. It's usually nestled comfortably among the other format options. Once you select JPG, you're nearly done. Before you proceed with the download, take a moment to double-check everything in your design. This is your opportunity to ensure there are no missed details or necessary adjustments left unchecked. A quick review here can save you the hassle of having to start over if something isn't right. Once you're sure everything looks perfect, click on the Download button again. By clicking Download, Canva starts the process of converting your design from a PDF format to a JPG file. Depending on the complexity of your design and the speed of your internet connection, this process might range from a few seconds to a minute. And there you have it. Your JPG file is now ready. It should automatically save in your designated Downloads folder on your computer. From this point, you can easily share your new JPG file on social media, embed it in web pages, or use it wherever a JPG file format is more suitable. Converting a PDF to a JPG in Canva is as simple as that, thanks to these straightforward steps. Quickly transforming your designs to be platform-ready is now a breeze. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher, and soon enough, turning PDFs into JPGs will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.